Good morning guys, today is Monday. So it's time to work again. So it's my wife first day papasok sa work. So hatid natin siya, pero siya mag-drive. Let's go! Sa go! Ready ka na sa work?
Yes.
Pero bago yan, silipin mo natin yung baby dog natin. Mochi! Sleep ka muna ha. Sleep ka muna baby ha. Tulog ka muna mahimbing ha. Love you. Tara. Alright guys. Ang sarap maging pasahero. Tignan mo naman to. Meron pa tayong ganito. Ito na si lady driver natin. Say hi. Para matuto na siya mag-drive. Marunong na siya mag-drive kaso niyatamad lang siya eh. Alright. Going to her work. Ang galing na ng wife ko mag-drive, di ba? It's all about road awareness, right?
Yes.
Very good. Galing na mag-drive, oh. Yun, oh. Parang pro, oh. Sheesh! Okay, we're here. Dito na kami sa workplace ng Mrs. Malawang ang kanilang balcony. Balcony. Maluwang ang kanilang parking space. Yan ang building niya. Oh. Alright.
Thank you, Manay.
Welcome. Alright guys. Now it's time to go home. Kumusta yung driving mo? Okay naman.
So much.
Ingat ka. Love you. Love you. Bye-bye. Okay. Now it's time to go home. Time to play our puppy and go to work. Let's go. Finally, I'm home. Ngayon, laruin muna natin si Mochi Bear. Kasi kawawa naman. Laruin natin siya kahit 30 minutes lang. Patakbuhin natin. Dito natin siya papatakbuhin. Mochi Bear? Hi, my baby! Hi, my baby! Did you eat your poopoo? Huh? Let's play? Oh, come, let's play. Come here. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. It's my baby girl. Tarap. Hindi ka mababaliktad pa yan. Ha? Gusto niya ng kamot. Gusto niya ng ganito. Come here. Catch, hi Mochi, catch. Catch, Mochi, ready? Go! Good girl. Give to daddy. Give to daddy. Go! Quick! Come on. Good girl. Give to daddy. Come here. Come on, Mochi. Give to daddy. Come here. Very good. Okay, come here. Alright, guys. So that's it for today. Mochi, thank you for watching. Sa susunod ulit. Mochi! Sarap ikis, grabe. Ayun na natin yung video, Mochi. Sige, bye-bye.